Hi guys, this is Bari. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting because we're going to make stickers and we're going to make it the cheapest way possible. So we're going to exclude all those professional materials, and if you're interested, please make sure to stick till the very end. So first thing that I did is I picked a color scheme or a color palette, and I'm going to be using these colors later on, so I just swatched them out to make sure that these are the colors that I want. And once I'm happy with them, I took my vellum board. You can use any type of paper. I just use this because it's cheap and it's thick, and I think it can withstand the alcohol markers that I'm using. So you already know the drill. I always look for inspirations or reference from Pinterest, especially when it's your first time doing things, and in fact this is my first time making stickers and I was really confused, so I looked up to Pinterest and I was like, oh, this is nice, I'm gonna make this, and I just saved a bunch of pictures from Pinterest and I'm gonna draw some later on. So before anything else, we are already road to 5k subscribers. I'm very happy. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be very happy if you do so. Okay, now so much for that. Let's go back to the video. I'm gonna be using this pen. This was given to me by my friend. It was a long time ago, so I thought it was finally time to use it. And here is my consequence of not using it as early as possible. It wasn't working at first, but when I swatched them and tested it out, it was working pretty fine. So here I literally just followed the picture. Yeah, no originality, right? Well, it's not like I'm gonna go around saying, hey, this is my idea, you can't follow me, this is not from Pinterest. I'm not gonna do that. Yep, I don't know what just happened. See, this is why I voice over my things, because you just witnessed what just happened, right? You don't want to see it more often, right? So much to learn and see. Up in the castle with my new family. Ah! It's done! Right. We're gonna erase the guidelines. So here it is, and I'm finally done with the first set of the stickers that I'm gonna make. And now we're gonna proceed to making the botanical plants. Ah, so excited. So after years of figuring out what colors or what shades of green that I'm gonna use, I finally came up with these. So yeah, the first color, the sand, or the, no, that's not the sand, what the hell? It's the soil, Val, it's the soil. Oh my goodness, you're so stupid. Okay. Okay. Another one. Be fine. So maybe like that. Yep, perfect. So yeah, I wonder why I was very enthusiastic about this, but I think it was because things were going pretty well and it was my first time making stickers, and I don't know, I was just very happy. I don't know what was going on, or maybe it was possessed or something, but I'm not possessed, you know, or maybe it's just me, or maybe it's just, oh my god, I don't know. Oh, we're here. This is my favorite part. This is, you know, I made this myself. I did not get this from a reference or something. I mean, the structure is just weird, but I really like it because it was my idea. So if you're wondering why I'm doing succulents, it's because I wanted to get one for such a very long time now. I want to design them in my room, but I don't know if I should because I might end up killing them. So I ended up switching to another pen because I thought that the other pen was too thick for the details. So this is also one of my favorite part. It's putting shadows on the pot. It just makes it pop, and it's very nice. The color combination is perfect. At first I'm finding out what being royal's all about. Sophia the first, making my way. It's an adventure every day. Out of all the songs that I know, why Sophia the First though? But no hate, I like Sophia the First. I watch almost all the episodes back I don't know, 8th grade. Okay, I think I've drawn enough cacti. Now I'm gonna draw circles. You can use anything, a coin or something like this. But anyway, it doesn't have to be like that. You just have to grab anything that you can make circles with, and then you're good to go. Just make circles. In my case, I drew 9 circles, and then I just colored them with the color scheme that I chose earlier, and I also added the greens that I used. So we're just gonna let it dry, and then let's proceed to this very cute thing that I found on Pinterest, and I think I'm gonna do something like that but with succulents on it. So here I just basically did the same thing, like coloring the base and giving it shadows, and then line art and the light bulb shiny thingy, of course, and then we're ready to proceed to the circles. What I did here is just sketch some flowers. I actually had a reference for this, I forgot to show you, but here it is. The colors aren't the same, but I got the inspiration from there. So here I'm just coloring it white instead of black because it wasn't showing. The black isn't really visible enough. And we're finally done. And now let's go ahead and cut this one first. Wait, I think I should really put a boundary between them. Let me just draw it very quickly, and then we will be done here. It might not be very visible, but it's there. And then I'm gonna cut it now. So as most of you noticed, there are always 5cm allowance between the paper and the sticker. So I kind of did that, and now we're ready to put wherever you want to put your sticker on. And then after years of figuring out what kind of arrangement I want, I finally settled into this. And then you're gonna want to grab something that you can stick your scotch tape into, and then we're ready to go, baby. And we're gonna place it right there. Where's scissors? Take it. And then we cut around it. So basically we just cut around the shape of the sticker. Actually, if you have parchment paper or wax paper, you can use that. It will be easier. So basically you'll just have to stick the wax paper or the parchment paper into the tape, and then you can peel it off later, and it's gonna be an actual sticker. But since we don't have any parchment paper because we're cheap, so we'll just have to do it this way. And that is how you make stickers. It's very easy, right? You just have to have packaging tape, which is clearly just in your house, lying around your house, waiting to be used. So what are you waiting for? You make your own stickers and let me know in the comments. Ta-da! And now I'm just gonna add one last thing. I'm gonna use Totoro. Totoro. So I thought it was lacking something, so I started putting my name, and yeah, no, I'm not good at calligraphy. So that is all, and I hope you learned something from my video, and I'm gonna see you guys on my next video.